Hello guys, this is Asif, and in this tutorial we are going to see how we can convert a cooked file system of Oracle database to ASM file system into Oracle. So let's get started and see what we have got here. Set Oracle SID SIM SQL plus as sysdba. Select name total MB from $ASM disk group. So in ASM instance we have got one disk group whose size is 4096. In RDBMS instance, the database name is DB2. This database has got 5 different data files in cooked file system. This database has got one temp file whose name is db01, and this database has got 3 redo log files. So I will save this information so that we could use it later on. So what we are going to do here is that we are going to convert control file from cooked file system to ASM file system. This is the first step. The second step is to convert data files to ASM instance. Third step is to convert temporary files to ASM instance, and the fourth step is to convert log files to ASM instance. So the first step is to convert control file of cooked file system of DB2 to ASM instance. Shut down. I am shutting down DB2, which is RDBMS instance. Database is closed. Exit from here. Update parameter file of cooked file system. That is, we are going to update the parameter file of database whose name is db2. For this purpose, I will go into the Oracle home. Inside there we have got database folder, and here we have got init db2, which is the parameter file of db2 database. I will just open it with Notepad, or maybe WordPad would be better. here I have got a parameter which is saying that this database has got one control file whose location is this one, and I am going to convert it and make it comments. Then I'm going to add this value, this parameter, into this parameter. I'll just save it, minimize it. This is the name of our disk group, so I will just save it and take it away. I will connect with rmin set oracle sid equal to db2 rmin target. As we know, database is already shut down. Startup no mount. Restore control file from the location is db2. This is the file and its name is control01.ctl. control01.ctl. Enter. So you can see that the control file, this control file has been restored in the disk group, which is DG. Our new folder is created and this is the location. So I will just add this location into my parameter file of db2. Now the control file of the database has been restored. Now we are in a position where we can mount the database. Our database has been mounted, and now we will go and proceed further and restore the data files into the disk group. So we will say backup is copy database format, name of the disk group is this one, and here we go. So once all the data files have been copied into this group, this one into this group dg plus 1, we will say switch database to copy. Then we will open the database. Exit from here, SQL plus sysdba, select name from v dollar data file, select name from v dollar control file, select name from v dollar log file, member, select name v dollar temp file. So you can see we have converted our control file to ASM. We have converted our data files to ASM, and then we need to convert our redo log files and temporary files to ASM. So we are in next part of this tutorial, I am going to do it.